Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing, or I don't know if I'll be reviewing, I don't know, we'll see. It's a Samsung SSD 860 QVO, not Evo, but the lower edition, but it's still very good. This is 1 terabyte, and I actually picked this up for 100 quid. That is cheap as fuck. Wait, let me check. Let me double check it was 100, it might have been less. 95 quid. Okay, so I picked this up for 95 quid, brand new. And when I first bought the SSD, I bought the 1 terabyte Crucial MX 500. I bought that 180 quid when it first came out. And the price of it definitely dropped a lot, so that's really good. And basically the price of that and this was the same, so I decided to go with the Samsung one this time. I want to test out the performance and stuff of this one instead of the MX 500 Crucial one. Because I've already tested out, so yeah. This would be nice to have in my PC. I've also got this. It's a mounting bracket for my 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch desktop one, because it's for my PC, so I don't have a bay for it. So I'm going to be putting it like that and then booting off like that, so that'll be good. So yeah, and watch out for my unboxing for that. You'll enjoy it. Alright, so yeah, let me have a look here. Okay, so you get 3 years warranty with this. Okay, there's no more information on here. But yeah, this is the one below the Evo. Evo's the very first one. Oh no, you got Evo, QVO, which is the lower one. Then you got the Evo Pro or Max or something like that, which is the high-end one. Fastest one, but yeah, it's not worth the price. Okay, let me have a look here. So we've got a band here that you have to break open. We'll do unboxing and then show you the specs if it has if it's inside. Ooh. And you should get. Good thing about this is when you're migrating stuff over, you can use the Samsung software, which is a lot easier than the other ones. At the moment I've been using Acronis or something, I can't remember what it's called. It's got some weird name to it. Oh, I'm liking the packaging, really nice. Oh, look at that drive, guys. Never said that before. They really put detail into it. It's like sparkling and stuff. Who the fuck puts a sticker on a fucking manual, guys? Tell me this, who the hell does this? Whose idea was this? Look at the paper doing this shit. So the software is called Samsung Magician, and they give you a code on how to activate it. So yeah, with the software you can check your device health, if you can do updates, rapid mode, I'm not sure what that is. I think that's like over provisioning on Crucial, which is where, because it's 1000 terabytes, you'll get 960 gig, about 960 gig usable. And then if you use that rapid mode, you should be able to, like, it'll save another 10%, which is 96 gigabytes, to just for read and writes. On this, you make it faster. So yeah, I don't have yet enabled on my SSD on my laptop, because I'm using that a lot, because it does wear your life down having it with the over provisioning on. And yeah, because I use that daily, it's a lot of wear and tear on that, so it's not worth it. But if I'm on my laptop, it might be worth it, because I'm not going to be using it much. Not my laptop, I mean my computer. It might be worth it on my computer because I don't use it as much as my laptop. I use it maybe once a week, less than that, just when I want to play a game or two that I can't run on my laptop. So yeah, that'll be good for that. So that's the software. And I don't know if this is the specs. Let me have a look. Got the warranty. I just fucking took this off. Sticker, man, this sticker. Alright, installation guide. Oh, it gives you a guide as well. That's pretty cool. Okay, first language it goes to is Korea. Please English. Yeah, there you go. Installation guide. Take full advantage of the SSD. It's recommended to install Samsung Magician, data migration, blah blah blah. Screws for fixing the M.2 system are not included. Oh, this ain't M.2, it's normal. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so desktop PC is telling you need to move your data over. I've got a cable for that. That's what I used previously. So it's just that cable with the USB end. Then use the software and then it clones it. And because my old hard drive is only 250 gigs, this is 1000 terabytes. I'm going to have to make 2 partitions to make it fully work properly. Then I'll have to merge them to make it back to 1000. It's a lot of hassle, but it's how it is. No problem. Yeah, and then you got the warranties, and yeah, okay, let's have a look at the drive itself. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god, that's very light. It's a lot lighter than the Crucial, definitely 100%. This is very light. It's like I'm holding nothing, like a credit card maybe. But yeah, can you see the sparklings? Very nice. Really liking this drive. Samsung solid state drive. I believe the Pro version comes with the orange tip there. Not sure why. But yeah, there's your connector side. Gives you arrow as well. So that's where you connect there, and then you connect that as well in your PC. Do that. So yeah, you got 4 mounting points there. Don't know if they go all the way through. No, they don't. But yeah. Okay. So 1 terabyte. Blah blah blah. I believe these go to 500 megabytes. 550 megabytes. Don't know if that should be there. That small gap. Yeah, I think that should be alright. Yeah, but liking it. I'm really liking it. It's got really good reviews as well, which is one of the main reasons I chose it. And yeah, okay, so I can do 550 megabytes read and 520 megabytes write, which is a lot higher than the Crucial one, and it's the same price, so I decided to go with this. And the reason I decided to get this because is my old PC doesn't even have a normal hard drive. It has the very old one, IDE one. But the port it's using is SATA, so yeah, so this is compatible with that for now. So it's not even 5400 RPM. You can get the faster 7200 RPM hard drives, but no, it's not got that either. It's not got the first one either, so it's very slow. And then the boot up's on that about 2-3 minutes at the moment, so it'll go down to seconds, hopefully, if everything goes right. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Check out my PC videos, they'll be up soon, hopefully, once I decide to get my ass into gear. And yeah.